Hello guys, it's me Cappuccino again, right here on Secrets Tides Punta Cana. Alright, so please come down and join us and get ready to have fun with us and join us. Come on, let's go. Secrets Tides!
Hola, buenas, le habla DJ Chocolate. Bienvenido a República Dominicana al Secrets Tides. Vengan conmigo a disfrutar.
What does an all-inclusive resort mean for you? At Secrets Tides, all of the restaurants, food, drinks are all included, and if you book Preferred Club, there is additional options for dining and premium liquors available. Welcome to Secrets Tides.
Welcome to Secret Tides, family.
Hello family, welcome to the Secret Tide. Come here to the Dominican Republic and enjoy with us. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome. My name is Antonio. This is the Water Sports Center from Secret Time. Okay, so here we offer the activity for all of you. So what you have included here, you have the buggy board. You also gonna have included the kayaking, and you have a text diving on the pool. That's also included. In case if you wanna go to the ocean, you have that option also. You can have the mats also for the goggle that you can use here too. And if you want other activity that you're gonna pay, but is to go on the other side to see different things like a snorkeling and party boat, speed boat, and deep sea fishing. Whatever you want to do, guys, I'm here for you. Okay, it's Secret Time.
Another new Secrets resort. We are headed to Secrets Playa Blanca in Mexico. We can't wait to bring you all the content for that resort. Coming up very soon, another dreamy destination. If so, be sure to like, subscribe, do all the things. Find us on Facebook and Instagram at DNDM Media, and we'll see you at the next resort.